Hello there. Are you facing a problem like this where when you are specifying a calculation within the calculate function and it is returning this error, which is a function placeholder has been used in true false expression that is used as a table filter expression, and you are puzzled like what is really happening and how can I really solve this? Well, here in this video I will show you a very quick way as to how you can solve this and get your calculation working. And before that, just a quick information. New to my channel, then you should know that all of my Power BI videos I keep in a Google Sheet, which is present here. And over here, if you see, many other folks are using it, those who are already watching some videos, and here I keep all of my videos. So this one also I will post it, which is related to the error in calculate function, and here the title is present so that you can easily search it, and in the column B the link is present. With the help of that you can jump to that tutorial. So let me come back. So here the issue that we are facing in this or in a scenarios like this, whether this calculation or any other calculation that you are facing, is because of the context transition. And to solve this problem is what you need to do is you need to come over here. Before calculate, press Alt Enter. Alt Enter. After pressing the Alt Enter, what you need to do is you need to specify a variable, say variable, and what I'm doing is I am basically saying that give me the latest day sales by saying superstore order date is equals to the latest date. And what is my latest date? Latest date is having this calculation over here. Let me just show you very quickly. Latest date equals to the max order date. That means the maximum of order date. So whatever that order date is, if I show you very quickly over here, and here we have, where is my latest date? If I just put it over here, it just says 30th December 2020, right? So this is my latest day in my data set based on what I have specified over here. And when I am using this in a function like this, calculate, it is returning the error. So what do we need to do? Like I was saying, variable is something what we need to declare. After that, let's give it a name, max date, and we need to just make it latest date over here equivalent to that. That means we are evaluating the max function. Now earlier it was this table evaluating to the expression. Now what we are doing is we are evaluating the expression earlier in the variable. That means variable is holding the value, not the expression. And then what we can do is we can come over here and we can say underscore max date. Also we need to return, we need to specify return. So come over here, press Alt Enter and say return and calculate sum of sales underscore max date, and then click OK, right? So then if you see, the error is gone. The reason for this is earlier because of the context transition it was giving an issue once we evaluated the function into the variable, and when we specify the same variable over here, this is gone. Now we can get the sale for 30th December and we can check it by creating a KPI over here, and we can click and say what is my latest day sales, 713. Okay, so this is what the entire scenario I wanted to show you. This is a very common error which you face, and now you know how to solve it. With that, thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next video with some new topic.